We're diving into the world of iMovie and exploring how to add text to your videos. Whether you want to create stunning titles, informative captions, or stylish subtitles, iMovie makes it simple. I will show you how to add text on iPhone and Mac. So if you want to skip to the part you are interested in, feel free to use the timestamps from the description of the video. Before we start, please remember to like the video and share it. Thank you a lot. How to add text in iMovie on Mac? Start by launching the iMovie app on your Mac. You can find it in your Applications folder or by using Spotlight Search. Click on Create New to start a new project or select an existing project from the list. Choose Movie when creating a new project. Then select the video clips you want to include and click Import Selected. If you haven't already imported your media, click on the Import Media button and select the video clips you want to use in your project. Drag your video clips from the media library to the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Arrange them in the order you want them to appear in your video. Click on the Titles tab above the media library. This will display a list of text styles and templates. Browse through the options and select the one that best fits your video. Drag and drop the chosen text style onto the timeline, above the video clip where you want the text to appear. To change how long the text appears on your video, drag the edges of the text layer in the timeline to extend or shorten its duration. In the viewer, double-click the text box to edit the text. Type in the text you want to add. You can change the font, size, and color using the options provided in the text controls above the viewer. Adjust the position of the text by dragging the text box in the viewer to the desired location. You can add as much text as you like. Just repeat the steps to add more text to the timeline. After you finish doing all the updates, click the play button in the viewer to preview your video and see how the text looks. Make any necessary adjustments to the text placement and duration. Once you're satisfied with the text, click on the File menu and select Save to save your project. To export the video, click on the Share button in the top right corner and select File. Choose your desired export settings and click Next to save the video to your computer. And that's it. You've successfully added text to your video using iMovie on your Mac. Now you can enhance your videos with titles, captions, and other text elements to make them more engaging. How to add text in iMovie on iPhone. First things first, open iMovie on your iPhone. If you haven't already, import the video you want to add text to. You can do this by tapping the Start New Project button and selecting Movie. You can also use an old project that you already did, so there is no need to create a new project. Now, with your video in the iMovie timeline, let's get to the fun part, adding text. On the iMovie for iPhone, you cannot really drag the text layer on the timeline. So if you select a part of the video, then the text will be added at the start of that part in the timeline. Let's see what I'm talking about. Let's go in the timeline where I want to add the text. This is the place. Select the video in the timeline. If I want the text to appear here now, let's tap on Split from the bottom. Now the second part of the video is selected, where we want to see the text. Now tap on the T button from the bottom. Let's say I want to add a text here. You will see the text style you can add. iMovie offers a variety of text styles like titles, captions, and lower thirds. Browse through them to find the one that suits your video best. Once you see a text style you like, tap on it, and the text will appear on the screen. Now tap on the text that appeared. Two buttons will appear, Delete and Edit. If you do not like the style of the text, you can just delete it. If you like it, then tap on Edit. Now you will have the possibility to edit the text. Edit the text and tap OK. Now the text has been added to your video. Now let's add another text to be sure you understand how I do it. Go to the timeline in another part of the video. Now when we select the video, you see this option to add the text. First, tap on the scissors icon. You will see the split option. Tap it. Now select the part of the video where you want the text to appear. Now tap on the T button from the bottom. You will see the text style you can add. Once you see a text style you like, tap on it, and the text will appear on the screen. Now tap on the text that appeared. Two buttons will appear, Delete and Edit. If you do not like the style of the text, you can just delete it. If you like it, then tap on Edit. Now you will have the possibility to edit the text. Edit the text and tap OK. Now the text has been added to your video. That's it. You've now mastered adding text in iMovie on your iPhone. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with different text styles, effects, and placements to find what works best for your videos. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.